I'm Aiman, and welcome back to one of my product review videos. In today's video, we're doing an unboxing of this Yardmax 1.6 cubic foot concrete mixer. So this video is just going to be an unboxing. We're going to do a separate video on how to assemble it, so go check that out if you're interested. But here's the box, very simple. This is exactly how it got delivered, just like this. It says it's 57.3 pounds, it's fragile. The dimensions are 22.5 by 23.6 by 15.2 inches. 2-year warranty, 150 watts, 1.6 cubic foot capacity. Pretty simple. We're just gonna get right to it, to unboxing. So we got this for $160 from Home Depot. And it comes in both a 1.6 cubic foot and a 4 cubic foot size. And we'll talk more about why we only got the small version in a bit. But we're not doing a lot of big projects with this, which is the main summary of why we got the small version. We got it for $160, although you can get it for... No, we got it for $160 from Home Depot. You can get it from other places, like Amazon, for a bit more expensive. I think on Amazon it's like $200 for the same size. And of course, it makes sense with Amazon that it costs a lot more on Amazon because of the delivery fees associated with it being a bigger product. You know, they're gonna charge you for it being such a big package to deliver. Maybe like a $40 surcharge, you know? But in any case, we'll put the link to the Amazon page in the description down below if you want to buy it. Though I do recommend getting it from Home Depot if you can save yourself some money. Okay, so let's get a look at what comes inside. All right, so here's what we get out of the box. We first get the instructions and the information packet. We'll put that aside. Then we get this circular. This is for adjusting the level that the mixer's sitting at. So we'll set that aside. This is one of the legs for the stand. Wheels go on the side of it. Okay, this is another leg. This is more rigid. This is one of the mounting brackets. This is a handle that goes on the side of the bucket. Okay. Interesting packaging. I'm sure the wheel probably jumped around during packaging because it's probably meant to be here instead of on the inside. But here are our two wheels. Pretty simple. Here's part of the chassis. This is actually like the underside of the frame. Okay. Here is our hardware. It's nice. It comes all labeled with the instruction number that they're supposed to be corresponding to. That'll be useful for assembly. Here are the mixer blades that go on the inside. Okay, and then lastly, the buckets. So there's going to be two of them because they assemble together. So here's one half. Okay, I'll keep this on for now. Okay. then here's the other half. That nice rubber ring around the entire inside. Okay. I'm gonna keep this face up so I don't get anything on that rubber seal. And then on the, lastly, I guess not, those weren't the last ones. Lastly, the motor. So this is the main thing that makes this a mixer. Very simple. It just has an on and off switch. You know, when I was watching the videos on this, I thought this was like a keypad or something like that. No, it's just a warning label. Okay, so pretty simple. I'm just going to lay this down. And I don't believe there's anything else. Okay, so yeah, that's everything that comes in the box. Now that we've unboxed it and you've gotten the experience of seeing what it's like, I can talk about why we got this. So we're using this concrete mixer to mix concrete so that we can rebuild our fence in the backyard. So our fence is going to be a picket fence built on a base of cinder blocks, and we're going to be putting concrete with these cinder blocks. So we need that mixer for, you know, this is a bit of a small scale application, which is why it's so small. We're not like pouring a pavement or a sidewalk. Usually 1.6 cubic feet is not a lot in terms of concrete. You could at best fit like one 60 pound or 80 pound bag in 1.6 cubic feet, which is why a lot of people don't usually go for the 1.6 cubic foot option. They usually go for the bigger option, like the 4 cubic foot one. That way you can mix more concrete at once. It makes it more worth your time and your money. But in our case, our application is small enough that that's why we got this smaller one. Oh yeah, and so another good reason is because this is small. And once we're done using this, we want to keep it and we want to store it. So we obviously don't have a lot of space for storing a big 4 cubic foot mixer in our garage. So we'd rather have something small that we can just stow away and put like on a shelf, as opposed to something that you need like a really big footprint for. But anyway, I'm Aiman, and that is the unboxing of this Yardmax 1.6 cubic foot concrete mixer. If you're interested on how to assemble this mixer, I'm going to be doing a separate video on that, so go check that out, and I'll see you there. But for now, I'm Aiman, and signing out.